Hello Universe, and over the backwood we have the one and only Anjo Iliana. Gagampanan niya ang papel ni Kuya Rowell. And we also have another artist known for her works in Marita, Road Trip, and Pasajero, a short film from Viva Films, which is going to be shown later this year. We have Yumi Garcia, Ellie's social bestie, Aida. All right.
Yes, let's give them a round of applause. Hello, Kuya Rowell, and hello, Aida. May mic side dito, you may use. Yan, katiin natin ang ating audience. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello po, and Aida. Awesome.
Good. Okay, so may mga konti tayong katanungan para sa kanila. First, to better get to know them. Am I right? So, Sir Anjo, how was it like playing Kuya Rowell? Kumusta po yung process, getting to know some of these actors na maaaring unang beses niyo pong makakatrabaho? And for Yumi, marami nagtatanong kumusta naman yung first meeting niyo with Hyacinth and how you two are getting along.
Well, first, I only had 2 tapings or shootings, and parehong one sequence lang. Although, sa set, talagang sinasabi nila, inaabangan na daw kung sino si Kuya Rowell. In fact, tiniktok ko, meron mga 300,000 views kung hinuhulaan kung sino si Kuya Rowell. Kaya sabi ko, maraming nag-aabang dito sa role na to. Bigla akong kinabahan kasi baka sana siyempre expectation sila, sana magampanan ko kung sino man si Kuya Rowell. Pero asahan nyo, pagbubutihan ko po. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And Aida? Pwede mo pa ulit ko na question?
Sure, no worries. So, for a second time, what was your first meeting like with Hyacinth, and how are the two of you getting warmed up to each other?
Okay, yung first kita po namin ni Haya, nag-connect po kami agad. Parang ang tagal na namin magkakilala. Kasi sa workshop po yun eh. Parang ang dami namin similarities, ang dami namin parehas ng gusto. Gusto namin ng food, like we love food. And, ayun, we love shopping din. So parang medyo din sa character.
Bilis nila nagkasundo, kindred spirits. Oh.
Totoo po.
Okay, maraming salamat, Ida, and of course, Sir Anjo Iliana. Ngayon naman, kasama rin natin ngayon ang architect and prosecutor power couple, known as Shakiera. Archer, bubuhayin na ang kilig sa ating sistema, playing the role of our sweet but brave Kiera and Ellie's protected brother Sean. Let us welcome Nicole Emilio and Jairus Aquino.
Sumayaw.
Hello. Okay. So, Shakiera, kwentuhan ninyo kami ano ang dapat abangan sa inyo. And of course, nasa 3rd installment na tayo ng libro. So, nervous ba kayo na sa inyo na yung susunod? Or how do you feel?
Grabe, I'm just very excited for Gab and Hyatt. Excited na ba kayo makita yung dalawa? Yes, ako naman. And mas excited din ako kasi lalabas na often, of course, si Shine. So, mas makikilala din natin lahat.
Yeah, nakapahala ko. Pero sobrang excited ako siyempre for Gab and Haya. Alam beses namin pinag-uusapan ni Gab to palagi, pero siyempre sabi ko kaya niya yan, and you know, sabi ko make me proud. Oh, make me proud, tatay. Pero yun, happy ako for them and very excited na ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung pinaghirapan namin at pinaghihirapan namin as of the moment for chasing in the wild. Kasi marami pa kami nanda para sa inyo, di ba?
Yes, sigurado kami dyan. Pero may bagong angulo ba kami makikita sa inyong dalawa? Nag-mature ba kayo o immature pa rin? Joke lang.
Abangan nyo na lang. abangan nyo na lang po para rin kami dadalhin direct talk dito sa ating Chasing the Wild.
Alright, great stuff. Thank you, Nicole and Jairus. Also, Chasing the Wild is 17 episodes pala. Okay, thank you. Alright.
Don't forget, napaviral din at pa-trendingin kami wherever social media exists. Okay, so do us the benefit of sharing it para sa mga wala dito in person, mapanood din nila. Am I right, ladies and gents? Next up ay ang expensive socialera girly ng Univercaya and the nation's favorite Tita Nina. We got to meet her in the first. Eto na. We got to meet her in person now. Please, everybody, welcome Aubrey Garaan. Miss Aubrey Garaan.
Alright, we have our mic here for you.
Hello everyone.
Yes, go. Stand anywhere you like. Go.
Hi, good afternoon. And thank you po sa pagpunta.
What can we expect from your character dito sa pangatlong installment ng University Series? I'm sure a lot of us want to know and can't wait.
I think ilo-look forward nila dito sa si Sam, sa si Italina, yung pagiging owner niya ng club. And of course, yung pagiging supportive niya pa rin kay Naselvi and kay Alice.
Miss ka namin. So we're glad she's back.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you so much, Aubrey.
Thank you, Aubrey.
Okay, next to join us ay ang ating napakagandang flight attendant na sinamahan tayo sa masaganang palibad ng Captain Juarez kung saan pinatunayan nilang love is in the air, playing the role of our fierce Yana from the very successful sequel series Safe Skies Archer. Let us all welcome Krisha Viaje. Apologies. Obviously, he'd love to be here. But indeed, next time, sasamahan niya tayo ulit. But for now, we have Krisha. So, Krisha, as usual, ano dapat ang abangan ng Krish Rome fans dito sa Chasing in the Wild?
Masaganang pechay. Masaganang... Yun.
I like that. Masaganang buhay, masaganang pechay. Baliktad. Pechay. Okay. So, how have you been since the success of Safe Skies Archer?
So happy! Sobrang saya na marami ako nakikilala na mga nag-support sa amin and also mga bagong opportunities na dumarating sa amin. So, and dagdagan na naman kami. So, mas malaki na yung cast, mas masaya na sa set, and mas maraming kulit. Ganon. So, yun. Excited na ako for Chasing in the Wild.
Yes, excited na rin kami and you all deserve it. Thank you so much. Krisha, of course, makausap natin siya in just a little bit. Okay.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, gagamitin ko yun. Masaganang pechay. Okay.
Diba, Baxi?
Let's go.
Pwedeng moto. And of course, for our next actor, we've seen her in The Rain in España and Safe Skies Archer, the first two installments in the University Series. Everybody, give a big hand to Bea Binene!
Hello po! Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa oras nyo. I know that this week has been a very challenging one for the whole country and a very rainy one for the whole country. So maraming salamat po and I hope you're all safe. Maraming salamat po sa oras nyo. Ayan, Chasing in the Wild, malapit na po. Only on Viva One.
Thank you for that, Bea.
Thank you, Bea. Yan, pwede ka nang maupo sa iyong upuan. Okay. Sino ba naman ang makakalimot sa ating next couple? Grabe ba naman ang pagpapaulan nga ng kilig? Parang halos lahat ay hindi makaahon. Best known as Lokal from The Rain in España. Sasamahan ulit tayo ngayon ni Architect Valeria and Attorney Martinez. A round of applause for Heaven Peralejo as Luca and Marco Gallo. Yan. So, kwento kami kung ano ang i-expect natin at anong ine-expect nyo sa love story ng Chasing in the Wild ni na Hyga.
Feeling ko gusto ko magkatuluyan sila.
At saka syempre, kasi diba yung character ni Gab, si Sevi, diba na heartbroken sa'yo, Kevin?
Yes, yes.
Oh, so paano siya dito sa Chasing in the Wild?
Ibang Gab yung makikita nyo dito eh. Ibang Sevi and ibang Haya. Alam ko na binibigay nila lagi yung 100% nila. And sobrang excited sila for this project. Yun ang alam ko. At alam ko gagalingan nila. So, excited to watch.
Alright, and also invite everybody to watch Chasing in the Wild when it comes out.
Everyone, okay, I'm gonna be honest. When is the release of Chasing in the Wild? When is it? Tama, kasi alam ko naman yun. Check ko lang kung ano yun. So, August 16, lalabas na ang Chasing in the Wild. Feeling ko pwede naman sabihin na sa around 30 shooting days. So, ibig sabihin sobrang pinaghirapan nila. So, please, supportahan nyo ang Chasing in the Wild ngayong August 16! Very good.
Palakpakan natin si Marco and Heaven. Thank you so much.
Alright, that was Marco and Heaven. Pero eto, may panibago tayong addition. There's someone new to the Univercada for today. Alam niyo ba yun? Heaven! Okay, gising pa. Recently joining the gang. He will play a well-known musician at artista. Ito guys, madalas best friend ni Via, madalas best friend ni Sevi. Uy, pinag-aagawan at friendly pa. We have our golden boy, Arkin. He will be played by our newest Univercada, Mr. Wilbert Ross.
Ay, ang pogi naman nun.
Mr. Wilbert Ross. Right this way, boy. Wilbert, kinakabahan ka na ba sa debut mo bilang si Arkin?
Actually, nag-start na kami mag-shoot. Okay naman. Okay naman yung chemistry namin ni... Kaya okay naman yung chemistry namin ni Garo sa ginagawa kasi magkaibigan lang kami. So, medyo magaan lang so far.
Okay.
So, Wilbert, may special performance sa sayo ka ba?
Kakanta ako.
Kakanta.
Kakanta yung bagong sing Makaluma.
Excited na kayo makinig sila!
Thank you so much.
At dahil dyan! Sige, upo ka muna. Mamaya. Para meron kayo inaabangan. Thank you!
Saka pakiramdam mo naman wala talagang cause for anxiety. Hindi siya kakabahan kasi yung fans, nako, sabik na at gusto na rin siya makita on screen when it hits on August 16. See you guys then.
Yes, and of course, the chase will not begin without these two. They will be the main stars of the third installment of the University Series. The basketball team captain and the cheerleader are here to win our hearts and each other's. Playing as Sevi Camero and Elise Ledesma. Let's all give a round of applause for Hyacinth Cañado and Gab Lacman.
Hello everyone. Hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa bigay ng time po para sa amin.
It really means a lot that there are so many people here coming to support us and looking forward to being here today.